Ready? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. All right, so we just cut it off. The two ends. This is Anthony. Oh, he's,
Good job, good job.
he's the engineer. All right, guys, we're back here at the job site. So I'm with Anthony today.
Hey, hello, how are you?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás, amigo?
So it's pretty much like we're knocking out that wall over there, and me and myself are just gonna continue whatever that needs to be done here. Now I can see a window.
Oh, yeah.
All right, that side is done. So right now we're just gonna close that one up, and we're good to go. Okay, so right now I have the two 10 by, what's this one? 10 by 12. 10 by 12. So these two guys are gonna go on top of that. So first thing is we're just gonna assemble it. So I'm going to be using the PL to stitch it. Then after that, we'll use the nail. Nail is more recommended. When we nail it like this. Oh, okay, here. What's the one that's up? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need it like this or it doesn't matter? So here? Okay. So one here. So now I'm just gonna use this. Just to hold it on. All right, our beam load bearing beam is ready. Top, where's the top one? You in?
Yes.
You want to get the mallet? The mallet, you're going to need the mallet. Wait. Where is it? Nice. Yeah. Now we don't have a jack. I need a jack.
Yeah.
We have to do it one by one.
All right.
Yeah. What we're gonna do is pull this up. Okay. Put up, man. All right, so right now the beam, it's already on top. I mean, it's already up. So right now, what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to push it nice and tight. So I'm just using right now these two 2x4s to jack it up. Since I don't have the floor jack, so you can always use like a floor jack. That would be nice, but I don't have it. So what I'm trying to do here is like I'm doing this one alternating. It's pretty nice and tight there already. So like probably another 8 more, probably less. Right, so let's make sure it's touching the top plate or the ceiling joist. So those are the two 2x4s that I'm using. Okay, so now I need to push it up a little bit more. So I have to make this one a little longer, or just gonna shim it. I'm gonna shim it the bottom just like that. Where's it? It's right there. All right, my jack stud is ready, so I'm gonna push that one a little higher more. So now the jack stud is ready to go, both sides, this side and this one. So what I usually do, I cut it like a little longer to push it up, right? See, like this one here, it's slightly longer. Yeah, sure. That's good. Gonna put one more. I'm using number 10s. And then we gotta put more nails on the
Jack stud.
next one. Now we're gonna do this one. All right, so everything now is pushed up and nice and tight, but it's still like make my jack stud slightly tighter. I mean longer. Probably 116.